The three-day National Conference on Managing Agri-Biodiversity in Northeastern India NCMA and 2024 got underway yesterday at ICAR Research Complex for NEH region Umya. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, CH Vijay Shankar, Governor of Meghalaya, expressed his concerns over the fact that youth are dwindling away from farming. He added there should be ways and means to make farming sustainable and lucrative. He stated this region has the potential of being the hub of Ayurveda or the hub of medicinal plants, so we need to encourage the people to take up farming also as a prospective opportunity.
Particularly in this region, black rice you are able to see here, you are able to produce. Not only black, red rice you are able to see here, yellow rice you are able to see here. Many of the varieties.